Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to train ChatGPT with custom prompt. So you will just provide examples and instructions that guide it to respond as desired. So if I just give them command like explain the benefits of renewable energy in a professional tone, not informal. So I will just give them command, let's see the answer. So here you will see it will provide me in professional tone to understand that renewable energy. So if I just give them command another like you will just instruction to ChatGPT act as a marketing expert. So I will just give them command of suggest strategies to improve social media engagement. Then let's see. I will just give them to train my ChatGPT. So here is our effective strategies to improve social media engagement. So you will just give them command and it will show you some on your specific title. So in this way you can train your ChatGPT with custom prompts. So you will just give them the instruction and it will respond you as desired. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.